This July 4th, between all the barbecues and beach trips, there's a lot of stuff you may need to buy to enjoy the day, but some items are in much higher demand than others. Shopper intelligence and personalized digital media company Catalina conducted a study for the item sales that skyrocket on the 4th. Not surprisingly, with all that time spent outside, weather permitting, sunscreen sales go up 207%, while insect repellent sales shoot up by 254%. And of course, on the edible end of things, frozen burger sales jump 163%, and coincidentally, lighter fuel and charcoal spiked to over 149% and 141% respectively. Interestingly, cake and pie mix sales shoot through the roof at 291% in the Northeast, however only up by 17% in the South. The study says that this may be because the Northeast tends to use box mix, while the South tends to make their cakes and pies from scratch.